Okay, look, if you've ever spent hours wrestling with slide layouts late into the night, I have some massive news for you. The traditional presentation? It officially died the moment Google quietly dropped their brand new workflow into NotebookLM. What we're looking at today on this explainer isn't just some, minor software update. It is a completely new system that takes your absolute messiest, most dense PDFs and turns them into full, editable slide decks in seconds. But the truly crazy part? You can redesign the entire thing just by talking to it. So let's dive right in, because understanding this new approach is literally going to save you countless hours of manual work.
Because honestly, are you seriously still dragging text boxes manually at 2 a.m.? We've all been there, right? It's like the ultimate corporate struggle. You're totally exhausted, squinting at a bright screen, desperately trying to get 3 tiny visual elements to pixel perfectly align, and they just refuse to snap into place. You're manually copying and pasting bullet points from a dozen different browser tabs, and honestly, it completely drains your creative energy before you even get the chance to practice the presentation itself. It's a completely broken system.
And there's just such a stark contrast between that old way and this new AI way. I mean, the old way was basically soul-crushing manual labor, staring at a completely blank screen, pulling data line by line from some chaotic 50-page PDF, trying to build a deck piece by painful piece. But with instant presentation generation, NotebookLM has entirely removed you as the middleman. You're no longer the one extracting the data. Actually, scratch that, you're the director now. You're commanding the entire system from the top down.
Let's look at Section 1, the Instant Draft System, from chaos to structure.
This is where we move from pure chaos to perfect structure. And the most impressive part of this initial phase isn't just the speed, it's the massive capacity of information the AI can ingest at once. It all starts with volume. You can drop in up to 50 messy documents to kick off this instant execution. 50! That's a staggering amount of context that no human could possibly hold in their working memory all at once. And we're not just talking about neatly formatted, simple text files here either. We're talking about raw, unstructured chaos. Dense PDFs, sprawling spreadsheets, totally chaotic meeting transcripts, heavy academic research papers, the whole shebang. You take all of those unorganized files and you feed them directly into the UI. You do not have to organize them beforehand, you don't have to write a clean summary for the AI, you literally just drag, drop, and let the system absorb the mess.
Then you just hit generate, and in mere seconds, literally in the time it takes you to take a sip of coffee, the system hands you a beautifully structured 15-slide presentation derived directly from your source material. Let that sink in for a second. A process that traditionally eats up a massive chunk of your work week is now reduced to seconds. But look, getting a fast draft isn't the whole story, right? Fast generation is great, but we really need to talk about the reality of AI outputs. Which brings up an absolutely crucial question. What happens when the AI gets slide 4 completely wrong? Because let's be real, it happens. The AI honeymoon phase usually ends the exact second you look at the specific details of the output and realize, it missed the mark on a key data point. This is exactly where most other AI presentation tools completely fall flat. They give you a decent initial draft, sure, but making highly specific adjustments becomes an absolute nightmare. Well, stick around because I'm going to show you the hidden prompt trick in this system's architecture that fixes this exact fatal flaw. And that brings us to Section 2, the Conversational Editor, breaking the walled garden.
This is the escalation point where NotebookLM goes from a cool party trick to a serious, high-end professional workflow. The absolute worst part of older AI slide makers was this incredibly frustrating limitation. If just one single slide was off, you essentially had to roll the dice. You had to hit regenerate on the entire presentation, crossing your fingers and praying the AI didn't completely ruin the 14 slides it actually got right the first time. It was maddening. Well, NotebookLM eradicated that completely. Instead of starting over from scratch, you just type a command right into the interface. For example, you just tell the system, hey, make slide 4 a comparison layout. Notice what's happening here. You don't have to highlight text boxes, you don't have to search through a massive ribbon of complicated formatting tools. You just state your intention clearly, exactly as if you were speaking to a human designer sitting right across the desk from you. Or what if you realize the overall branding is completely wrong for your audience? You can totally pivot the aesthetic in seconds. You just type, change design theme to professional blue. The system instantly understands the context of your request, processes the visual change, and applies it immediately across your work. It's just a completely frictionless UI experience. And what is truly mind-blowing here is the targeted precision. If you target a specific slide, the AI rebuilds exactly one slide instantly and leaves the rest of your perfectly curated presentation totally untouched. The update happens right in front of your eyes, meaning you essentially just hired a 24/7 presentation designer who never gets tired, never complains about endless revisions, and executes your exact visual commands instantly.
But okay, we need a vital reality check here. How do you actually get this out of the AI environment and into your real-world corporate meeting? Because a massive problem with most new AI tools is that they completely trap you in their proprietary ecosystem. They want you presenting from a fragile browser window that might crash the second the office Wi-Fi drops. And when the stakes are high, you simply cannot rely on a spotty internet connection.
So let's look at Section 3, the seamless export from AI Workspace to corporate Boardroom.
This is exactly how NotebookLM bridges the gap between a cutting-edge AI workspace and the traditional corporate boardroom. And thankfully, the process is streamlined and takes literally one click. Step 1, you refine your deck using that amazing conversational editor we just went through. Step 2, you hit the one-click export button. Step 3, the system instantly generates a native, fully editable PowerPoint file. That's it. There are no complicated conversion settings or completely ruined formatting.
The absolutely crucial takeaway here is this: you are not locked in. You get a beautifully formatted native deck ready for your next big meeting, completely free from any walled gardens. You can open that file up natively right on your machine, share it with your team via email, make tiny manual tweaks if you really want to, and just present with absolute confidence, totally offline. Which brings us to our final section, Section 4, Autonomous Design Agency, a new definition of work.
This really brings us to a whole new definition of how we work. NotebookLM isn't just a basic tool anymore. It's evolved into a 24/7 AI system sitting right there on your desktop. It builds, it edits, and it exports native presentation slides purely through your conversational commands. You've literally just compressed hours of exhausting, tedious formatting into minutes of automated, brilliant execution. You've reclaimed your time, your creative energy, and honestly, your sanity, all by directing a system instead of being a slave to manual design. Now, if you are serious about building AI-powered workflows like this, you need to subscribe to the AI Explainer, because we don't just show you shiny new tools here. We break down the underlying systems that actually put you ahead and give you total leverage to work smarter and faster than ever before. And I want to know, would you actually trust AI to build your high-stakes presentations? Or do you still secretly prefer dragging text boxes manually until 2 a.m.? Drop your answer in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.